Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the Beach Project. And if it's your first time here, my name is Gigo. This is a project we started 8 months ago, which belongs to one of our clients. It's a 5 bedroom house. We have 2 bedrooms at the ground floor, and then we have 3 bedrooms at the first floor upstairs. It has 2 living rooms, which one is downstairs and also one upstairs. It has 2 porch and 2 balconies, which is both at each side of the house, the front and the back. The total cost of the project you see on your screen now, which is from foundation to where we have to do the roofing stage now, is 380,000 Ghana cedis, which equivalent to the US dollars will be roughly like 32,700 US dollars. So this is how much we spend on whatever you see on your screen now, the whole house. This is how much we spend on it. And in my previous, breakdown I did with my Pram Pram projects, people were surprised of the cost breakdown. And I can tell you that, building is expensive. If you have a right team and a good management, you can reduce your cost, not reducing your building materials, the quantity, no, you reduce your cost. And what we mostly do is that we really recommend that you buy your own materials so that we just come and build for you so that you know how much you are spending, you know. And we don't do rework here, we do it just one time. And then that's how we manage your cost. So if you don't have to do things twice, then you save, your money. So Efo was on site today to get us the estimate for the roofing. So I asked Efo to, take us through the whole building to show us, what's inside. And I like to share that with you guys. So I will hand over to Efo. If you need drawing, if you need planning of your house, you can get in touch with me. I will give you a very good architect who will design your house for you. And if you want us to build also for you, the team is here. That's my number right there. You can send me a WhatsApp and then we take it from there.
You see that here is the kitchen. Another entrance here to outside. Here is the storeroom. So you came here, you can see that you will see your big roofing here. So that's where the decking will pass here. So you can see it clearly. So now I'm coming to this is a bedroom. This is the bedroom. So this is the washroom, the toilet and bath. You, you see your toilet, and then you came to the bath. This is your bathing place. So I'm going to the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom too. So from here, your bedroom, you came to your washroom. This is the toilet. From toilet to the bathing side. So now I'm going to the top. I'm climbing the steps to the top. So here is the landing. Now I stop at the landing. I'm resting here small. So I'm continuing going up again. Okay. So here is the big hall. Here is the big hall. As you can see, you see a hall here. This is the big hall. So this is the small room for a hall. You can see. So you come to this place, you will see that here is the master bedroom. The master bedroom. So here is the washing room, toilet and bath. So you will see your bath here, and then the toilet at the corner here too. So you came to here. You came here. You see your wardrobe here. You see your wardrobe here, and then here too another wardrobe or something. I mean, later you see that one too later. I don't want to explain much, so you came here too. This is another bedroom. This is another bedroom on the top. So this is the washroom. This is the washing place, bathing place, and then this is the toilet. So now I'm going to the other room on the top. Still I'm on the top. So this is another bedroom again. This is the toilet, and the bathing place. So you can see that here too, we floor here too. On the top, I'll take you go to the top so that you see the top. You can see here will be concrete work. Here will be concrete work. So you came here, you see a porch here. You see a big porch here. Here will be some place if you want to rest. You came here, you take your fresh air. Then we are watching the whole environment. And so this is the first porch. But the top here be three bedroom. So now we are going to the second porch too. So this is the second porch. Here too, you sit here, you take the fresh air. To the up again. The last stop, no. So I'm using my steps. I'm using my step to the up. So now I reach my landing. So I stop at the landing, so I'm resting. So from here, I'm going to the top. I'm going to the top to see where the poly tank, we will put the poly tank. So this is the top. So as you can see the top here, we flow here. We flow here, but this place, like here, like this, here will be the poly tank place. We'll put the poly tank here before the roofing. So right now, as I'm talking right now, I'm here to do the estimate of the roofing. I'm here to take the estimate of the timber work so that we see the costs, the cost of the wood and the okay, the cost of the wood. So this is how the main project is. You can see the top of the building. Yeah, you can see the top. This is the top of the building. Yeah. So now I'm doing my estimate for the woodwork so that I handle it to my engineer to check the price that will fit the timber work. But because of here, no, because of the sea, no, this is the sea. This is the sea. This is the sea. You can see plenty ships on the sea. Like the Samori Tree project. You can see the town. This is the town. The roofing sheet, the one that will be best for us. So, but this one after the roofing sheet, after the timber work, we are coming to put down this thing, the asbested roofing sheet. So you can see the top. You can see the top of the building. This is the block work finishing. So now we are waiting for the timber work to come on. As you can see, this is the top. At the top here, we have 3-bedroom on the top here, on the top. And then the down, we have 2-bedroom down. So this is the top. So this is our seat too. But I mean, I like the seat. That's why I'm showing the seat more. I like the seat. You can see the sea. So now I'm from the top. Yeah, like this later maybe we'll do some design here. So now from the top, I'm going down. From the top going down. But this staircase, not that the one that you like we are cramming the staircase, then your leg is paining you. No, this one there is normal. So now I'm going to the down floor, the last floor, the first floor. Wow. So these are the materials that we use for the decking. And so we are coming to remove the nurse order. We pack it fine. We pack them all fine.
So you've heard it yourself, even though we are done with the wood for now, but he's still going to take all the nails out and pack the wood nicely just in case we have to use it in the future for something in the house because construction is still in progress, and that's how you save costs. Most people will just damage the wood, let it there, rain, it gets soft, and then if you want to do your plastering, they'll ask you to buy new woods. Or if you want to do, maybe there's change of mind, you want to do something new, they will ask you to buy new wood. So these are some of the little things that you have to watch out with construction. That's why you need a production group, you need a team to build a house for you. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please, if you do, kindly please do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I will see you in my next episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Like, do we?